for a second, just talk some shit. And then, yeah, tomorrow right after work, I'll just come down to y'all. If that works with you guys. Okay, good. Yes, sir. Is there, what's the dress attire for tomorrow? Then okay. All right. I'm wearing it nothing. He said they don't care. It's Colorado Springs, right? That much. All right. Stream is going. Let's do a little countdown. I'm not streaming in here. Hold up. Now we are good. Right. Think again to here. Do this, do that. Cool. Right. Now we can do a countdown. All right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice. Good evening, everyone. Thank you so much for tuning into another little live stream. I'm joined by Mr. Hazed Beats. Mr. Shane. The man, the myth, the legend in the crypto world. See if we can maybe pull Benji in here as well. See what he's got going on. See what he thinks is happening, going on in the market. Always nice to have his little input. He reads the markets nicely, especially off the higher time frame. So
he's clean with it.
Yeah, he's too clean with it. He's a good boy with it. Alrighty, if you guys got any questions, we'll begin by saying that you can go ahead and ask away. Well, begin by mentioning that you can go ahead, or we would love for you to ask some questions. Please do not hesitate to do so. We're going to do our regular scheduled programming. That is, we'll review the price action, what the price did on the day, and then we're going to dive into some crypto. Good old. Our lovely crypto. That Wickarooney this morning was fucking nuts. Dude, literally had my Doge orders at 222.48.
Oh my god, Doge is gone. Speaking of, fucking gone.
Just fucking soaring high, baby.
Oh my goodness.
Okay. Maybe we'll start with crypto, then go back to stocks, then go back to crypto.
No one wants to talk about the fucking bullshit dump that hasn't recovered on NQ yet.
Let's talk about the real elephant in the fucking room. Honestly, I'm not surprised. They took this shit out and we said, okay, well, we can look for probably something. This was bullshit. The fact that they didn't sweep this, and we were saying outside day, the fact that they didn't sweep this is fucking sus, dude. Like, they can come back to that.
Yep. And that's what I was thinking, like, when I was about to take another one, but I was like, I already took a trade.
Yep.
I was up like $480, and I was like,
fuck yeah.
This looks like a really good long, back to these like triple equal fucking highs. But yeah, that was nutty. If I would have traded, like I said it in Discord, if I would have traded, I would have got fucked up on that.
That almost looks like 3 drives on the 5 minute. 3 drives, flagging, boom.
Yeah, just that no like liquidity got me.
Yeah, it's insane.
But it didn't get me. It would have got me if I'm being completely honest.
Yeah,
that threw me off a bit.
Let's do 1 to 5 right there on that.
I posted bullish at the top, so full transparency.
Posted bears are still gay at the top.
No, I posted that it looked like it did. It looked like that 4-hour like vertical accumulation to me, kind of like what crypto's been doing.
Yeah,
and it looked like it just wanted to blast through that LRLR, and then nope.
Which, like, it did. It cleaned this shit up. But the fact that, damn, that wick is nasty.
Nasty.
Oh, damn! And then they closed below the. Ooh, that is gross. Okay, wait, hold up. Do I still have it on here? No, I think I mentioned last night, but I was like, well, we kind of have a little animal. But that's okay. Well, I'll trade crypto. I'm probably done on the week. I'm not going to touch anything tomorrow, except for crypto, of course. But that's like it's a given. Okay, let's. God, I just can't stop looking at crypto. It's so beautiful. The way it's.
It is.
I've been fucking loving this bitch lately. Just plays so smooth recently too. Pissed off. I should have held on to those bottoms on Doge. But other than that, I mean, dude, yeah, it's just been beautiful. Nice, love that. Do you want me to send that to Mr. Nate?
Yep, that'd be great.
Okay, cool. Let's do that. Yo, what up,
And
world?
I used your link to sign up.
Oh shit, let's go. Let's go.
Like referral inception.
Yeah, seriously. We are talking about Blowfin. If you guys want to use the link, if you guys want to use the code Hazed or the code Eddie, you're gonna get a special little something when you sign up. And we're going to announce something special, probably Friday, maybe.
Hopefully, that'd be sweet.
Yeah, make
It's
some
pretty slick with it, so
make some
I don't think
graphics,
it'll be fun.
and yeah,
Yes.
yeah. If you guys enjoy it, yeah, seriously, go Finn. Seriously, if you guys enjoy these, if you guys like these, give it a like, give it a share. Let's get some people in this house tonight. Get all the party rockers. Let's go over NQ. Let's see what we did. If y'all watched the live stream this morning and last night, we said, okay, where is our... And we kind of had this animal playing out last night, right? Played out pretty nicely. So I'll put this into Wednesday journal. Make sure Wednesday journal. Turn some lights in here so everybody can see me. There we go. All right, so we had these liquidities to the bottom, right? So it came down nicely. We were kind of looking for it to sweep the lows. I don't know what I just did. We're going to put that in there. Going to get rid of those. I think on this chart, we were looking on a higher time frame. We were saying, okay, well, we have this previous day low right here. Or Tuesday. What's Tuesday? Tuesday was right here. Yeah. Tuesday, previous day low was right there. Right? So we were kind of looking for it to come down and sweep that previous day low and then pump out of there. Which it pretty much did, right? This was our overnight session. It was chopping around, chopping. We were starting to sell down into it. And then we got that move, right? There's the move that we were looking for. We got it nicely. Right? That was our come into this little retest of this high, the breakout high, and continuation up. That was our higher time frame analysis. Right? So once we got that higher time frame analysis out of the way, we are starting to look on our lower time frames, right? So over here on the 15-minute, let me get rid of some of these and then start showing them one by one. This was the outline that we had during the stream. We said, okay, well, we can take some longs from here and possibly look for this level, right? 21,487. Got that, and then we were done on a day, right? We were done on the day before the whole thing happened, but the outline played out nicely. All right, so let's put this back into Wednesday. Let's see. This was what we were looking for in terms of NASDAQ, right? So here's our 15-minute little OTE, right? So we have this leg that sweeps liquidity. It starts to come back up, right? We take this high. We don't necessarily see huge displacement out of it, but we still have some fair value gaps to the downside. And also, if I'm going too fast, please tell me to slow down, because I watch the stream back and I'm just fucking all over the place with these fucking charts. So if you guys, if I'm going too fast for y'all, please tell me.
I always watch it on half speed too on YouTube.
Yeah, yeah, exactly. I want to make sure that everybody's getting it, and it's not just like you're getting left behind in dust. Right now, or my God, not right now. So on that 15-minute, right, let's get rid of all of our indicators, and I do that Alt-H, Control-Alt-H. Outline this little leg, this last leg of the upside movement. Take a look here. We have a 5-minute little fair value gap. We take initial shorts right there because that's our model, right? This is our model. Sweep this liquidity, displace. So now we have a market structure shift right there. Smaller time frame, right? Smaller time frame market structure shift. So now we're looking for downside. Price retraces into this fair value gap. We take some shorts to the downside right here, and we fuck off. That is the play. And then out of that OTE, right? There's our 15-minute OTE. We come into that 705. We still have this fair value gap to the downside on the 15-minute, right? It's tiniest little guy. The bodies are holding, which tells us, okay, price can still go up. We do that, and look at that. 930 candle opens up, rush through all of this LRLR, rush through all of this LRLR, and the continuation up. If you remember on stream, we said we were looking at this hourly candle, the 8 a.m., which was the 6 a.m. for me. We were saying, okay, well, next hourly can open up. It can sweep the bottom of this hourly and then continue up making this an outside hour because they don't like leaving this. They don't like leaving all of that before they do something. And they did not leave. They did not leave it before they did something. They sold right the fuck off right after. So that was pretty much the play of that. A lot of fibs, a lot of little manipulation things that we were looking at, right? It's always nice to have those Fibonacci's to outline yourself, those important levels where price can bounce from and where price can go. Taking the last little sip of that espresso. And then we also had this 5-minute projection, right? 5-minute projection leg. So that gives us I think we've covered it on stream. If we turn the indicator back on, it's the last manipulation leg during London that typically gives us the projection for the New York session, or at least how I've been looking at those. And we also have the initial London sweep giving us the 1618, which is the bottom of that. I believe if we outline this right there, that would give us the bottom of the Asian session too. So BSTD, -4236. Hit that pretty perfectly, right? That's just the way that I use fibs. I like to outline those manipulation legs because they give us the projection. So Asian session gave us the projection for the bottom of London session, and then London session manipulation gave us the projection for pretty much the top of the New York session. So use those at how you like. Use those to your advantage. It's a small little hack that I found through back testing, or something that I've noticed. A little gem for everybody to take advantage of while it's here. So yeah, there's that bottom, right? We can also project this bottom, this manipulation leg that gives us 1618. So all of those give us the bottom, but this one 4326, that's the one that I would be looking for. Right, we did eventually get that -5618, and you saw the reaction out of it. But something to look at. And then what else did we do over here? What do we keep on always looking at? This little image. I think that's the wrong image. I think that's the image of Benji.
No, that's the right one then.
Oh my God, I fucking summoned him, didn't I?
Why is wait a second, what's going on here? What is this new indicator I'm unfamiliar with?
So Benji right here, right? It shows up when the market tops out. You see it present itself right there, right at 12:45 Eastern time.
You see a Benji.
The signal goes off and the market
looking
sells.
straight down.
Yeah. The daily plan. This is the right one. All right. So the daily plan, right? Something that we've outlined before in our streams of like the interaction between the London, the New York, and the Asian session. So If we look at this picture, we see Asian session right here, Asian session right there, London session right here, London session right there. What does New York do? New York expands right up. I don't care if it reverses after it fucking does whatever. I'm just caring about this stuff. And it did a similar thing over here on this day too, right? We have our Asian, London, New York. It's kind of that power of three, OTE kind of thing. Whatever else you want to fucking call it. AMD, accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Call it whatever you want it, but this is the way that it plays out, right? Asian, London, New York kill zones. Just kind of get your narrative. Just another little gem. So not only can you use fibs to project the bottoms of those sessions out of each session's manipulation and tops of them, you can also use them as kind of like almost like what am I trying to say? God, I'm a fucking full on fucking retard mode on that one. You can do it.
Oh my god.
Dude, completely derailed myself thinking about Benji. You can use it as sort of a guideline for your days, for your trading sessions, for what you're looking for in terms of like, especially if you wake up early in the morning. That's what you want to look for. So right over here, we can say, all right, price hit the projection low of the London session. Crickets. All right, there's that. That price hit OTE right there. OTE
real,
of the
bro.
15-minute session right there. All right, and then this is also right there. This was the projection top, as well as a 3 drives. God, dude, I want to take FET. I'm like, keep looking over at my other screen at FET, and it's looking so juicy. But I think we get maybe a tiny little retrace on these, but it looks good for almost an outside day. But that's the session. That's what the price did. Right here, we could have taken the breakout high retest. If anybody trades those like breakouts, this would have been a solid trade too. Other than that was about it. Did you trade anything today, Benji?
Yeah, I
Just
took
short.
a short. I'm still in small here. My plan was I have all my levels marked out, and yesterday was a grueling, disgusting day. But it kind of gave me an idea of, not that this is top, but that we're running out of steam, right? We've just been kind of, except for Monday, just kind of been ripping. And yeah, Tuesdays are relatively low volume to begin with anyway. But I don't know. It wasn't looking good. Obviously, we saw what happened in pre-market, or just the overnight session in general, I should say. Just kind of nasty, clean downtrend. Open as you'd expect after a downtrend, even looking at almost I guess it's only Wednesday, but almost every day this week, 2 out of 3 days, sell off into overnight, rip morning on Monday, Tuesday, nothing burger, but into today. The one thing though, and I gotta give credit to Shane, is we were BARTing like nobody's fucking business on the 15-minute, like the pinnacle BART on ES's 15. It couldn't have been
I guess
more,
this shit right there, yeah.
Could not have been cleaner. Wow. So, I'm more of like price action and volume, and calling whatever her name is book enjoyer myself. And so volume was already kind of miserable. to start, and we were just stalling, going nowhere, printing a nice BART. I wanted to get closer to 59, 55, but we had the like dump candle, so I didn't get the level that I wanted. And this is where I'm going to shout out Timmy, because then I just took a reject of the 30 SMA, which I am holding entry 5947.25. Our runners are at 317 ticks right now. Scaled most at the level I talked about a couple days ago, 5985. I'm sorry, 5885, excuse me.
Nice.
And swung. But yeah, I wanted to take the reject. I didn't. We started to sell, broke that 30, broke that 30 SMA. I waited for us to retest it. Shout out to me on that one. Did not anticipate this whatsoever, but you know, right place, right time, and you know, it paid.
Mm-hmm.
And we love, so like again, back to how I just trade in general, and really liking volume, is we started to sell, you know, and as price is going down, these candles are just getting massive. Like the first break wasn't too crazy in terms of volume, but the next one was like 50% of its size. Next one after that was double the previous.
Oh yeah,
That's
dude,
what I
those are
love to see, whether it's upside or downside, whatever it is. When its price is working or volume is working in the direction of your price, like it's not, you're not seeing buyer step in or seller step in if it's going up, and it's increasing. Nothing gets me more bricked up. I kid you not. Nothing gets me more excited. So yeah, that was it. I'm, like I said, I'm still in small. It's a great play right now. Overnight,
like 29,
you know,
72.
I'm willing to sit in this for like a 40-point bounce. I'll be honest. I'm really not. I'm not one that wants to buy a dip like this. I want to buy into strength, sell into weakness, you know? And so I'll wait until what I perceive as my point of control is you know, back under control for bulls.
Yep.
For right now, it's, you know, that you could probably get a sick. I'm not going to say for people who are bullish here, you can't get a good play. But for me right now, it's the risk profile doesn't make sense.
No.
So I'll gladly leave money off the table for more protection, less risk, you know?
That makes sense. With that, I do have this level 21, 135, 25 that we've held again right here. Nobody closes below it. Bounced on it. So for me to really get fucking groggy, whatever, fucking, no, we love frogs too.
You said 135, right?
Yeah, 21, 135,
Okay.
25. Yeah. For us to get below.
I have something similar. Sorry,
Yeah.
keep cutting you off.
Oh, no, you're good. So if we get below that level, we are going to fucking flush a Cito to the downside. Straight, I think almost straight to 2817. Oh, that dude, this BART is fucking.
Wow,
You got even the ear of the BART right here. Look at that.
Wait.
Can you pull up?
Oh yeah, your chart makes a lot more sense for that level. I had 20. I mean, let's just call it 20,300.
I do,
because like that's the top. That's where we were. Look, so like I'm looking at the 4 hour. Excuse me, I need some water. Sorry, Shane, I don't mean to cut you off either.
Oh, you're good.
But if we're looking back at that end of April, beginning of May, where we kept rejecting, we were like knocking at the door. We'd come down a little, test it again, come down, consulted a little bit under, tested wick, and then the next, we hit the weekend, that Friday the 9th, that Sunday we opened above. I want to test that level that we didn't break over until we gapped above. You know what I mean? I don't know if that makes sense because we haven't tested it really yet. We rejected it until we gapped over. I want to see us fucking come down 800 points, whatever it is, and revisit that, like that top of the gap from like most recently May 9th. Thoughts?
Look at
Or
our
we just
typical eyeball bounce on this part.
yeah, that's nuts. See, but your chart makes a lot more sense. I think mine is too greedy.
I'm looking, yeah, so this is why I have 21, 135, 25. If we look on the daily, this is the little fucking green candle that we put in, and it's the opening price of that candle, and that's where I'm looking. So if we break down below it, then it's kind of like, honestly, if we want to get fucking just insanely bearish, we're looking at this previous weekly low. I said outside week is possible, considering that we took previous week high, and that's like the only thing that's kind of screaming at me right now is that, hey, we're kind of fucking might get down there if we really fucking wanted to.
Can you pull up ES, that channel we had drawn out the other day?
Oh yes, yep. Oh, new 4
Keep
hour.
that one.
Bitch doesn't have a fucking water bottle around here. 10 water bottles, none of them have anything in it. What the hell? Maybe if I start combining some empty ones.
And then, Alder, well, I'll get your question here in a second, brother. Oh, that channel is disgusting.
Yeah, fix that bottom line again. Put it back on those lower wicks.
Okay, let me open up chat.
Put them on the lower wicks?
Yeah, like put that up to those other 2 wicks.
Like these 2 wicks?
Yeah. You can start it at that same one you had, but yeah.
Like that?
Yeah. Look at that.
Fake break, pump, breakthrough completely. So now,
and realistically, that was a 3 drives. Like, if you look, like,
yep.
we hit the top of that channel 3 times. And this morning was just a fucking huge fat Judas. Really.
Yeah. That was a fucking swing and a half.
I like that channel a lot, Shane. I wasn't locked in. I didn't see that close enough before.
Yeah, it was
super
nice.
clean though.
And now we died out of it.
Fuck it,
but we're at a cluster of levels here, like on ES that I have. It's like 58.66 through 58.42.
Oh my, Shane, I'm literally looking at one that says 58.66.5 right now. Not kidding. Under my 58.85.
Yeah, look
We're freaking twins.
Look at our group chat. That's what I have.
That's probably very simple.
But there's a lot. If we lose 58.42, like
sick.
there's nothing till 57.73.
Disgusting.
Okay, I had 57.70. I mean, this isn't exact, so we'll just say 77. But yeah, I had the same thing. But okay, but then this is what I was saying before. I still wouldn't mind like a 57.10 test because again, like it's the top of that cluster of candles before we gapped up. I do think I'm getting greedy, and I recognize that, but it would. I don't know. To me, like I like when things are. To me, that's just like aesthetically pleasing, and I like to trade off vibes, and that would be
vibes.
Makes sense. That would be vibes. Like that just makes sense to happen. You know what I mean?
Yep.
Yeah.
But I mean, with that being said, the market hates making sense, and it will take the craziest path to get to the most random number. So, who the fuck knows anything?
That's true.
Not me.
Alder, sir, you're asking about OTE. So let me answer this question real fast. OTE is optimal trade entry. So you take any manipulation leg, almost right, whether it be to the, not necessarily manipulation leg, but any leg and price that's following in the same direction. You take any of that and then you draw it out. So like this one, right? So we take the top to bottom or bottom to top, press PPT OTE. It's my paper traders OTE right there. And you're looking at anything between 618, 705, and 786. 705 is like the probably most precise OTE that you can get in terms of entries. So that's what we're talking about when we're saying OTE. You can take it on any range and you can see how well it's respecting. Like we can take OTE of this leg down right after the sweep of the liquidity. So that's the optimal trade entry in the direction of that trend. We hit the 705, almost 786, combined with this fair value gap. That gives us a solid entry to the downside from here, right, down to the other OTE. You can kind of like honestly play from OTE to OTE to OTE. Same thing over here, right? We can keep on just shorten these ranges, right? 70 comes into the 50% of it, into the fair value gap, continues down. That's what we're speaking of when we say OTE. Just a number on the charts.
Mm-hmm.
Not just a number, but a good old number. Good old number on the charts. See what these fucking.
I gotta turn the brightness down on my monitor when I'm in here with you. Holy fuck.
What do you mean, brother?
The brightness is out of pocket. Holy smokes.
My screen's so orange I can't tell.
What is?
I can just put on night shift. You're a genius.
Yeah,
What are you talking about?
Bro, who use white backgrounds on anything, you sicko.
Well, my screen is orange, so.
Oh, because you also have night shift on?
Yeah.
You guys are sickos. Sickos in unison.
Yep.
Night shift on my phone. Night shift on this.
I wish it could be more orange.
Dude, Shane one time was like, yo, yeah, use this fucking software, dude. My shit was more orange than Donald Trump. I was like, holy fuck.
Yeah, mine is crank.
I'm like, that's a little too orange for me for my liking, but
Actually, I'll pull it up. I'll just send a picture.
Keep it at a happy medium orange.
I was gonna say send a screenshot, but would it take the orange? No.
No.
Would it do any fucking justice? Probably fucking not.
That's funny as fuck.
Look in group chat.
Oh my god. You're like staring into the sun. Or like the moon. A full moon. What the heck, Shane?
Yeah. Need it.
Bro hates the fucking regular screen color.
Hates the blue light.
Hate it.
I get it though.
Find out why scientists hate
Crypto
this
really
man.
gonna fucking disconnect from the market?
Dude, I hope it does. It
Like uncorrelate, it wants to. It has before.
Yeah.
Not in a long time, but
Very nice. I mean, it did have that fucking
Crazy.
dump. This shit was nuts.
I mean, yeah, that was a.
But it came right into our fucking levels and bounced right out of them. So I'm cool with that. Should held those longs a little longer. What I think we outlined this on stream one of those nights. We said we kind of want to see it. Where is that shit?
I'm about to go crazy. Hold
Here.
on.
But basically, this was where our orders were. This little order block right here. All right. That level is 22246. The bottom of this was 22244. And we fucking gapped off of that. 9%. Fucking wild. Let's keep ripping.
I like it back at 56.
Dude, yeah, Doge looks like it wants to break the fuck out of this flag. It just needs to clear above this 24216. And I think she can go.
Maybe Bitcoin just consolidates here at this high and alts can run.
Connect.
Because I'm also like we talked about, I'm cool with Bitcoin like blowing off the top to like 120 to 130,000 ish, then pulling back to discount, which would be like 100 if it pushed up that high first. It just looks like this previous breakout where it just sent a huge stick through it, and then we can get our pullback and like chop into discount.
Yeah.
In my opinion. because it's, I don't know, decent daily close over that high. Weekly still looks strong. And then, yeah, like the higher we push up here, the less the pullback will hurt. Honestly.
The higher, I thought the higher you go, the harder the fall.
Well, no, because it just keeps bringing discount up.
That's true. That's true.
Like if we can push high from here, then we'll just pull back to like where we're at now for discount, which would be ideal.
Let's see if they want to fucking pump these suckers up.
Be cool to push to like 140, mid 140s, then pull back to like 100, 110.
On the Bitcoin.
Why so conservative?
Just because I don't.
Send that
It's
shit
just
to 500,000.
yeah. I'll send it in the group chat. I'm just kidding.
Kathy Woods ass. Yeah.
It definitely it feels like it wants
I
to
guess we
sweep
said
that
different
previous day
ideas,
high
huh?
with these new candles. That's the big thing. Like,
Look
or
at the
least for me.
monthly. Look at the 3 month. 3 months just went outside.
Oh lord. Above that yearly, dude. Fucking crazy.
It's just weird because the market's kind of been lagging crypto, like this move, and like the market, like NQ is still set up to go outside 3 month if it wants. So I just wonder if this pullback is short lived. I don't know. We'll see.
Yeah.
Won't speculate too hard because I lost my speculation when I bull posted the top today. But that was only one. Only one. I
Otherwise,
don't delete tweets, so it's all good.
Shane's track record has been good.
Yeah, Shane's
Oh.
track record is better than most that I've seen.
Well,
I mean,
it's been
all these other people I've seen have shorted the what they thought was the top like 15 to 20 times. So I'll take one bull post at the
Yeah.
local top,
yeah,
and I don't
that's,
delete my shit. It's there.
that's completely fucking true.
I don't want to be like no one's right all the fucking time every time.
Mm-hmm.
Tell it to these guys running Discords.
Yeah, and
The best
thankfully I
thing
didn't
since
take
sliced
the
bread.
trade because, like I said, full transparency. If I would have traded more than that one that I had from this morning, I probably would have got fucking stopped out on that dump candle.
Mm-hmm. Dump count was fucking gross. Like,
But I was laying in the sun, so it was all good.
heck yeah. It was tanning even more than he already is tan.
Ridiculously dark.
His tan got a tan. Yeah, let's see if they want to keep on motoring on these. Love to fucking see this shit go.
Did you say motorboating?
Motoring.
Oh, okay. Motoring.
Motoring. The old good old song. Like FET, I still love for some good upside. Thinking can sweep the previous day high. Not a fan of this open, but also this Timmy candle right there. Kind of similar shit that they did right here. They make this candle and just fucking rip. So that's what we're working with here. For me at least. That's what I'm looking at. The thing fucking China. Don't want to get cucked by China. Fucking Qs are catching a bid.
Yeah. I had a nice short, made like $200. I couldn't post it, but just down to that blunt candle. I think it was on the 5 minute.
Yeah. You know.
I think they want to sweep. It looks like a bear flag, but I think they want to sweep that wick, that like 21-221.
21-221.
All right, I just measured out.
Oh yeah, I see. Yep.
We're pretty close on Bitcoin as well.
To the
My top is 191.5. Yours is 195, so it's not bad.
That's just off monthly extensions, I think.
Mm-hmm.
From that I think it's the August 24th low to that top to the April low.
Oh, that's a nice short range. B, C, D, E. You're looking at that animal, boy.
You like mine?
Yeah, is Elliott Wave pretty much harmonics?
Mm-hmm.
Is that the same thing? Yeah.
Yeah.
So they talked about it. In this book they talk about the Elliott wave and harmonic thing, and it's more of like Elliott wave is more algebraic than the harmonic pattern. Harmonic patterns use more Fibonacci, but Elliott wave theory, it's like so harmonic trading versus basic Elliott wave analysis. The price point alignment of the harmonic pattern is essential. Each pattern must possess an exact alignment that must not be violated. The most significant point in all harmonic patterns is the midpoint B. Unlike Elliott wave number counts, harmonic trading denote each point with letters marking each price move as XA, AB, BC, and CD. Harmonic trading analyzes and quantifies price structure with incredible precision. The specific rules required to validate price structure as exact harmonic patterns are unique and different harmonic trading from all the technical methods. In fact, there's no variation permitted from the prescribed alignment of the harmonic pattern. So like Elliott wave has more like variation to it in terms of like precision, but since harmonics are so like by the rule kind of thing, that they're said to almost be like more precise. At least that's what they say.
Sounds good to me. I'm not one to argue.
Yeah.
It was just the quickest tool that I could, but that, you know me, I'm always fishing for an animal.
Yep. And I mean that's like the basic structure of them is the M's and W's is pretty much what they are. It's just like an M and W, but like a fucking precision sold daily. He said
That closed yesterday.
Oh, that's strong.
That's an OB, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And then if you draw OTE from that last leg down, we've held that daily FVG too.
Oh, this one.
Yep, draw that OTE, and then we're in that little skinny FVG up there too.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. This one right there.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. And then that OV creation. I
Yeah.
don't know. Looks not bad.
Yeah, that's the thing. Like, everything is above those weeklies now. They just need to get a nice push above these previous highs that they've swept. Like, above those highs, I think all of those can really go. Like, Sheeb, almost struggling above those highs, above this previous weekly. Doge is kind of having a little bit of trouble above, my fucking God. Above that level as well. So yeah, like it swept it, but now it's kind of having a little bit of trouble reaching these ones. But I think if we get above those, then I mean it's kind of fucking done deal.
Valhalla.
Yeah. At least good enough for that.
Another leg.
Yeah. Another leg up, which I'm praying they finish out the week strong.
Yep, me too.
Because let me get rid of all of this shit. Not Doge, but if we look at some other names on her weekly charts, let's see if Sheep did it. Like Sheep right here, right? So it came right into that 705 of this previous range, right? Swept the previous weekly low. So if it wanted to keep going, I would love to see it continue right there. Nothing says that they can't just fucking, cuck us and fucking sell it back down and keep it right there. Next candle opens up and then we rip. Like we discussed on Sunday, I think we said. Give us a little power of 3 almost. Or not power of 3, rising 3 method, right? So like 2 down, third candle is going to be just like an absolute ripper. But I would just love for it to keep grinding and take this 2, whatever, like this level right there, like previous weekly low to previous weekly high is what I would absolutely love to see. I think FET did the same thing where it swept that previous weekly low. Yep. Tapped into the 705 of this shit. Held this little order block. I think we've discussed all of this on our Sunday stream of like, hey, this is what we kind of want to see, right? Tapped into this. So now I would love to see a continuation up over here through these highs and into a little bit more of this liquidity right there. Like FET, Jupe. That's why I'm playing these names. Like, it's mostly the ones that have swept those previous weekly lows that I've been just fucking fiending for. It's like this one swept previous weekly low, right? So any of them that have swept previous weekly low, would love to see the previous weekly high. Obviously, we don't have to fucking get it. That's like, can't fucking control price like that. But the way that we've held these OTEs and these order blocks, it's kind of speaking to me in that sense of like, we could, right? It's a great potential for it to go up there. If that makes any sense to anyone. And I hope it does. I know sometimes my autistic ass has trouble explaining shit. But that's basically what we're looking for. Or at least what I'm looking for. I don't know, Shane or Benji might have a little bit of a different outlook on this than I do.
On crypto, I don't really have anything.
No, I agree with what you said. I think there's some things that they've left behind to me that are a little suspicious, but they might be leaving it for later.
Yeah.
But again, as always, it's like, if you didn't catch something from like the bottom from like a couple weeks ago, it's not like a safe place to go fucking max leveraging shit.
Oh. I wish you said that like an hour ago.
Oh shit.
Benji,
half of this fucking port.
I'm actually max margin on Blowfin right now. Using code Eddie.
That's what that ref came through as.
Came through as Benji. Oh my god. Benjamin.
Gonna hit the Benjamin. I should make a Benjamin crypto. I'm sure there is one.
Benji crypto.
I think there is.
Yeah.
Like,
You can just play
like
face though.
The
Haley Welch.
the Benji Hawk 2 coin. The collab.
Fire. I'd probably get Zach Morris on that shit.
Probably. Our boy.
Yeah, shout out the boy.
The legend.
I'm sure he'd be down to fucking help a brother out. Get his name out there.
Yep. Yeah.
I really wanna. I just wanna. Looking at NQ, like there's just such a clear that support you mentioned is just so clear and defined. Everything in my body wants me to see a fucking
break. Yeah. That's where I'm at too. I'm like, dude, I want to
man.
see just fucking rocket through this shit, because the next level down is going to be the 618 that lines up with the 281725 liquidity, and that is of the weekly range. Which
I love that.
Which tomorrow, what they got? Fucking unemployment claims at 8:30.
Oh, we have
Then
numbers.
they have PMI at 9:45. So we have news an hour before market open. We have news 15 minutes into market open, and then we have news 30 minutes into market open. So tomorrow they can really do some fucking numbers on some people's asses.
Yeah, numbers don't lie, so it'll be interesting to see what happens.
Yeah, unless.
As needed.
Oh, what'd you say?
They like to flip the week, like the back half.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, like they have manipulated this down, right? Swept the Monday low, technically making this Wednesday low of the week, unless they want to come down lower, right? So, yeah, they can, or like we said, they can keep this just in this fucking range, right? I'm pretty sure we discussed this, where it's like internals to externals, externals to internals to externals to internals to, like, they can keep doing this shit. I'm almost certain we covered this shit on stream on Sunday. we said they can keep this fucking ranging as much as they want and going from bottom to top, top to bottom, bottom, top, top to bottom. Kind of like consolidation week when we don't have any news. When was Sunday show broadcasts? Is it the 18th? Yeah. Okay. I'll take a look. If anything, I'll give you the caption thing. Yeah, I mean that's. Anybody, you guys want to spit some fucking shit, some fire into some ears?
I don't even know if I have fire in it tonight. I'm fucking shot.
Shot.
So tired.
Boys,
I just can't like
fucking
stay asleep these days. I don't know what's going on.
Are you drinking espresso
Boys
before
are
bed?
sleepy. Well, no, I have been having like 3 coffees a day. My morning, a noon, and then like a 3:30, 4 o'clock, and yeah.
Those are rookie numbers.
Not yeah, but like you know, I'm not used to going crazy.
Rookie numbers. We're like 3 coffees in the morning, 3 coffees midday, 3 coffees at night.
You said I'm sipping espresso. What is it? 8 o'clock over there? 8:30?
Yep.
Yeah,
It's
fuck
bad.
that.
It's a little fucking
It's
retarded.
problematic. I get it though.
It is problematic. I realize it, but man,
It's all good.
what can you
We all have
fucking
our
do?
things. Oh, just beat it.
One thing at a
Not me, though.
time. One thing at a time. Brr.
You're looking real diced in your newest gym pick.
Thank you. Probably.
Really,
Go ahead.
what are you, like 9% body fat?
I don't know. Honestly, I should probably measure it out.
Something like that. I don't even know if you can.
I think it was like last year I stepped on the scale and it was like 6. I was like, fuck.
That's wild stuff.
Yeah. A little fucking vascularity to the max.
I love that out of you.
And we got all the boys there. Shane is next, then Benji. All the dominoes are falling into place.
Yeah.
I'm getting a little cert for personal training too. So
Sick. Good for you.
yeah, we'll see how that goes.
Do, 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 do.
You'll be my test subject along with Shane.
Oh, fucking yeah. I'll dial. Me and Shane will dial the fucking on that.
Fuck yeah. Your boys
What are you
fucking
doing?
dialing the fucking, getting you diced as fuck.
Trying.
Hell yeah. Yeah, Shane been fucking putting in some work, dude. You've been grinding it out.
I love that.
How do you look like a
Listen.
fucking Greek god? But
I don't either, brother.
He's just fucking sculpted. It's gross.
It's probably like fucking 7 years of work in that shit, dude.
couple
Long ass
implants.
arms. Scratch your fucking kneecap with your arms straight. like
Dude,
that.
no, yeah, my arms are fucking lengthy, dude.
No, me and him put like our arms out. Like my fist was like 2 inches away from his face. So it isn't touching much.
Shit is
He's, like,
retarded,
kicking your
dude.
nose.
I got
What
some
you do with
fucking
the-
long ass fucking chimp
That's so
arms,
funny.
dude. It's nuts.
We're gonna get Eddie into boxing
Yeah.
for
That's-
real.
I'm surprised. Don't those fuckers come out the womb boxing where he's from?
Pretty much wrestling fucking bears and shit. Yeah.
Yeah. He's been doing that shit since fucking kindergarten.
I just don't talk about it. It's a family secret.
Fight Club. You don't talk about Fight Club.
Yeah, exactly. Rule number 1, you don't fucking talk about Fight Club. And yeah, crypto's the way these dailies are opening up is like fucking sus to me, but in terms of the daily structure itself, like on lower time frames, the way these dailies are opening up is sus, but the daily structure itself on these names is looking good for like at least a continuation up into there, unless they want to reject like 50% of these wicks, which would be hella fucking gay. but still, not wouldn't be like anything out of surprise for us, right? Like we've seen it fucking happen before. This one, like fucking Fett, dude, lover.
Lovely. Sometimes.
Sometime, yeah, actually, yeah,
Sometimes he's a bitch.
yeah. Oh my fucking god, when was this? It's probably like we're trading all this shit over here somewhere. This was a fucking pain in the ass, dude. Or no, what the fuck that gap down, dude? No, June, August 24. I wonder where we trading this shit. Like, no, I guess this was good. Like this shit, like December. December was ass.
Peak.
Mm-hmm. So you can push Fett back up over that yearly, dude. That'd be fucking sick.
I think Soul looks good, and maybe this one can just run by itself for a bit. It's been kind of lagged. We like Soylana.
We love Soylana. Dude, honestly,
Decent spot
the
for
way
this one.
this daily looks fucking rippy. Similar like
On
the way that
Soy?
it on fucking Fett.
Ah,
Don't even fucking talk to me.
that one scares me a bit now.
Fett scares you?
It's like I say, like all the coins have their own little quirks, and I don't like Fat's quirks.
Uh, not for everyone.
I just let Doge, and Doge is just the cleanest.
Yeah, Doge is
The
clean.
dog coins.
Jupe is also good. This was bullshit.
it's
Like right
crazy.
here, this fucking whatever the fuck that was. But yeah, the Dogecoin and the fucking Sheeb. Sheeb has been fucking beautiful too.
I'm just sticking to, like I said, don't rotate out of the ones that like are slower.
Mhm.
I think AVAC, CRO, and XLM are like due for a massive riffy.
Yeah.
Those
So
are
I
my
am
favorite.
liking-
Those are the three I'm in still.
I am liking Sheebies. Sheeb moves nicely too.
Eve is the best.
Sheeby, it's just setting the price limits on it with all the fucking zeros, It's like 0.000. It's my only thing on those. But you said XLM.
XLM, CRO, AVAC on the daily. I don't think there's any better setups than those.
Oh yeah, these are looking like they want to get cooking, dude. XLM, CRO. Oh, CRO looks good.
Yeah.
CRO, and what was the other one?
CRO, XLM, and AVAC.
AVAX. Yeah. Yep.
Just
AVAX.
like
looks
so
good.
overdue. And like they're slow. So everyone will forget, but those look so good.
And they swept that
AVAC
weekly.
is good.
Yeah. Dang.
They're just due for it.
She had
And
this
Solana.
4-hour OB. Soylana.
ETH is holding up well too, honestly, for as dumb as it is. And Doge daily, Sheev daily. They all look the same.
Yeah, Doge Daily. Yeah, Doge Daily I like. Looks good.
I like Doge the most because it's got Paya backing it. Paya don't miss.
Paya is the fucking guy, dude.
He's the GOAT. Like he learned from that slick boy.
He did. He did learn from the fucking slick man. The slickster.
Gary.
Mm-hmm.
Lots of hours with slick.
Yeah, you sleep with slick once, dude. You're fucking
I mean,
Cop-
clean fighting machine.
caught for life.
Once you go slick, you never go back.
For real. Once you try that slick out.
Bolting.
Yeah, AVAX looks good. I think AAVE.
I knew I was just about to click it. But you clicked it.
AAVE, actually, I
What
like
thought
that
was
one.
gonna sound like.
Look at AAVE.
Yeah, it's always good.
That shit looks crazy on the 4-hour.
Yeah. Oh, man, look at this fucking fly. It looks like it wants to just fucking blast through that shit.
A 30-minute or hour retest was nice. Two
Oh, yeah, right there.
clean. I don't even know what this thing wants. Look at the weekly. It wants like 404.
Yeah, holy shit. Good lord.
Bonk's great too. Bonk moves really nice. I notice it always like whenever we get a good pump, I like look at the percentages and Bonk's always like up so much more than everything else.
Yeah, this one's nice too. Retested this. It's just like these flat dailies is the fucking shit I hate.
Look at super on the daily. Missed the entry on that one, but the daily looks so good.
That weekly retest, that's a fucking solid one. Daily, yeah. Super. Let's scroll through some shit real fast. IOTA.
LDO looks good.
Jasmine. I fucking said Jasmine last night. Fuckers.
Uni.
God, dude, Jasmine. I got fucking cucked out of that one too. Bullshit.
Yeah, that's why I don't like Fett. Like looking through all these, like a lot of these have lower rates. Fett always does that blunt shit.
But she,
ZRX does look so fucking good. You've been saying that one. STX, one of my faves. That one look at STX. STX on the daily is fucking
shit.
insane. Clean as
Yeah,
shit.
this is what we want to
monthly
see
cap,
like on these. Oh my fucking dude, that's like perfect 786 right there too. I bet
Don't
you
even
have
have
this
to draw it.
fucking range. Yeah, look at that 50 OCE right there. Yeah, almost 786 close.
We'll held to 705.
Yep.
That's a
Yeah. Fuck.
beautiful.
Yeah,
You know what's crazy
ZRX
with that
is
one?
always a beaut. Damn, ZRX is fucking.
If you hold just the coin, you get paid like increments of Bitcoin, like very small, but
Oh.
you like stake it and you get paid in Bitcoin.
Huh. That's fucking
Kinda
cool. Yeah. Yeah, ZRX. Of those
And it
fucking
pumps, so. Fucking
retests.
Magic on the daily still looks good, but it's just wedging so hard.
Vet is looking fucking beautiful. Let me get rid of some of these.
Fucking
Vet,
log angle.
dude, Vet is looking good.
Love
AVE.
that.
AVAX. Yeah, Dot. I like Dot too. I don't know if you trade Dot at all, but Dot looks good on the weekly. It could fucking go, dude.
I like those. The Dot and Uniswap and Dot always move together.
If Dot gets above this weekly, like said, like yesterday,
Right now.
days ago, that would be fucking phenomenal. But Asia session, I don't want to fucking unless today will be the day that Asia session just fucking rips faces.
Oh,
That'd be
China's
cool.
so scary, y'all.
Oh, China.
Just kidding.
Literally. Every fucking time, I'm like, yo, dude, I don't know if I trust shit. Like, oh, you not trust us. But Donna trust us. But you not trust us.
They gave us PTSD.
Yeah.
Pull up LDO.
I trust China. LDO, that's a good LDO DAO.
Yeah,
That's a good one.
we're good in.
Zai. Yeah, everything. Anchor. No, it's kind of choppy. Oh, not the best. Phil. What's Link? Link, dude. Link. Link daily looks good, too.
We like Link.
Come on, Link. Come on. Okay, I'm not opening anything new.
No.
I'll just have whatever I have. I'm not gonna push a bonk. Yeah, Doge. ECH boom, decent render. Yeah, ZRX is a fucking beaut, dude. Don't you, dude? Fucking, we would avenge you with ZRX. No matter how ugly she is.
I just want Doge to yearly open.
Oh.
I'll be happy.
Send it.
I have all my spots still. Not selling it. Not touching it.
I think I have some from like way back fucking COVID. COVID fucking.
Oh no.
No, like pre-COVID bottoms, I think. Let me see what my position on it is. It's like the fucking the Robin Hood days.
Mm-hmm.
Oh well, my position is up. 200% on it.
Nice.
When did I buy average cost? 0.0832. So it was like about 8 cents. So 24 cents. No. Nice. That's solid. Holding the dog.
Walk that dog.
Walking the fuck out of that dog, dude.
I walked so much today.
You were a tired dog.
24,000 steps.
Holy shit. Ether think it. What am I holding? Bitcoin. Up 140% on Bitcoin.
See what NQ wants to do here off this daily open tap.
Dog with hat. Come on, fucking get above them $4, girl. Cardano. The question is, how's XRP doing? Coach Car don't miss, dude. Actually, no, it's just choppy as fuck, dude. The fuck.
I don't even like looking at that chart. It's ugly.
Yeah. I'm fucking butterface.
NQ just tapped under daily open. ES did not. And 1 minute CISD.
Yeah, so 21,135.25, I think is that fucking level. INJ rune. He's fucking. I don't think I might do a little stream early in the morning, so then it's kind of like almost a pre-recording for everybody to watch. Just want to get some shit done early in the morning, and I have work pretty early too, so make sure.
What time are you gonna be on?
My workout probably like, dude.
Early.
Yeah, if I can, then probably like 5:30 maybe. That's gonna be 7:30 Eastern for everybody. 7:30 Eastern, 5:30 our time. I'll try to, just because I want to get that out. Eat some breakfast too, and then hit the gym before I gotta hit the old fucking office.
And then the road.
Yeah, exactly. But timing is everything. Feel it. Speaking into fucking existence.
We're gonna have some crazy espresso tomorrow.
No. Not praying that not for long we gotta do this fucking office shit.
No way.
It's coming. No. No. Horka. Prom is being a fucking asshat again. Like, dude, the price action on Prom, I don't understand. Like, who's been doing this?
French toast.
Dude, like, what happened? Like, these pops were nice, right? Like, fuck, get rid of all these indicators. The pops were decent, but damn.
I just hate
like,
trading. It's just too sporadic for me.
well, yeah, this looks like a fucking
hate it.
water slide, dude. It's just channeling down.
Ooh, pull up XCN really quick.
Yeah, dude.
Oh, it's just on Coinbase, but still, just a beautiful chart on the daily.
Oh, that's a good one. I like that. Nice consolidation. Oh, damn, dude. They cleared this LRLR like nothing.
Flags and
200%.
flags.
Crazy.
Flagception.
Yep. Yeah. Then that's probably all. That's it for tonight's stream, right? Could call it.
Yeah, I'm so tired.
That's fair, yeah. Like,
Yeah, me too. I'm so sleepy.
Benji's sleeping in his chair.
yeah, Benji
Literally.
just woke up. He's like, oh yeah, fuck, we're still going.
Yeah, I'm here. Yeah, that was crazy.
I'm just watching
That's
a
crazy.
stream with like my eyes like half open. Everything sounds good to me.
It's like, yeah. That's fucking crazy. So crazy,
Espresso
dude.
hit me in per usual.
Yeah, I'm a little fucking double fisty in, dude. Still got some shit to fucking study for. All right.
Yeah.
On that note, I think we're gonna end it. Benji has bedtime. He still needs to go brush his teeth and fall asleep.
Oh, I'm ready. As soon
gonna
as I'm pressing disconnect, I'm sprinting out of the room and jumping in my bed.
Benji got the little fucking cat with like the fucking sleeping cap on from all the cartoons.
Literally.
He's fucking ready, dude. He's
I'm so excited. It's gonna be nice and cold, pitch black. Oh hell yeah! I'm so excited.
This dude's ready to go, dude. He's fucking rubbing his eyes right now.
No, literally. I'm just so shot. I don't know why. I don't know why. It was miserable.
Oh, brother.
God. Funny.
I think it will, but yes, it will do it for today's stream. We appreciate you guys for watching, for tuning in. Thank you, Benji, for coming in and streaming with us,
Always
even
a
though you're a
pleasure.
little sleepy boy.
I know. I'm sorry.
No, you're good, dude. I don't even feel that shit.
You know how it goes.
Yep. But as always, make sure you guys check out www.papertraders.io. We have an exciting announcement coming to you this week or early next week. At the top of the page, you'll be able to find the trader log, great tool for documenting your trades and kind of keeping a journal. If you prefer a physical copy, that's cool too. ICT trainer, if you want to keep track of your progress. Risk calculator, just kind of help you determine the risk that you want to take on these ranges, whatever you want to do. Camel creator, and we got our little Blowfin links as well. You can use code Hazed, code Eddie to sign up using those, and you'll get a nice little sign up bonus. So check those out. Super grateful for the guys at Blowfin for giving us this opportunity. Mr. Hazed, make sure you follow him at Hazed Beats on Twitter. Make sure you give ES Benji a follow. Great analysis. Check out the Paper Traders. We have weekly trials. We got, dude, how do you fucking followers keep going down, dude? We got to get Benji to 300 followers, please. Please.
I know. I'm really bad at being active on Twitter, so it's like partially my fault.
He's been edging us with his fucking eyebrow routine.
But I'm trying to get better at posting. I did a little bit today in Paper Traders, so I'm gonna try to get better at that first and foremost.
Yeah, if you guys want to see, like, obviously we're streaming and posting like those overviews, but if you guys want to check out the charts that we're posting, I mean, Shane is fucking killing it in the crypto channel. Always posting great setups in there. So check that out. Join us up. We'll have a nice little surprise for y'all here soon. And as always, thank you guys, and we'll see you probably most likely tomorrow morning. Peace out.